Okay, reducing property increases from sodium to cesium. So what is the reason? Here reason reduction character, reducing character increases from sodium to cesium except lithium. Lithium having the strongest reducing agent among all the alkali metals because of its highest ionization enthalpy. So what is the reason for that? What is the reason? Okay, due to the low ionization enthalpy of alkali metals have a strong tendency to lose their valency electrons easily. Why they are losing valency electrons easily? Because of low ionization enthalpy. Already when I am explaining the ionization enthalpy, already I told from the top to bottom ionization enthalpy values will be decrease. Okay, due to the alkali metals having the low ionization enthalpy values. Okay, they are losing the valency electrons easily and act as a good reducing agents. The reducing character increases from sodium to cesium because the reducing character increases from sodium to cesium, Na2 cesium, from sodium to cesium because the ionization energy decreases, because the ionization energy, IE means ionization energy, decreases. Ionization energy decreases. Okay, ionization energy is decreases in this order from sodium to cesium. Ionization energy will be decrease. Okay, the reducing character increases from sodium to cesium because the ionization energy decreases in this order. Okay, this is the reason ionization energy decreases in this order. Okay, what about the lithium? But lithium having the highest reducing capacity. So what is the reason? Lithium exhibits an anomalous value. This is because the formation of M plus ion from M. From the metal it will be formed the M plus. That means if it is lost the one electron means it get the positive charge. Okay. Next point. Lithium exhibits an anomalous value. This is because the formation of M plus, ion from M plus ion from M. Okay, lithium exhibits an anomalous value. Okay, anomalous value means similar values. Okay, lithium exhibits an anomalous value. This is because the formation of M plus ion from metal. M means here M means metal. Okay, M plus ion will be formed from metal. That is the reason. So this is involves in 3 steps. As a result, the overall tendency for the change depends on net effect of these 3 steps. Okay, now since lithium plus ion is the smallest in size, for this reason is lithium is the smallest size. Lithium plus ion. When lithium lost the electron, it get the lithium plus. Okay, lithium plus ion is the smallest in size. This is the smallest in size. Okay, and a large amount of energy is released. Enthalpy of hydration enthalpy values when it is large amount of energy released. Okay, when it is going to the lithium plus, from the lithium metal to metal plus, it will be release the large amount of energy. the large amount of energy is released. When it is released, when it is going to the lithium plus, that means when it is losing the electron. Why it is release the large amount of energy? Because of its small size. Small size is there means nucleus attraction force on valency electron is more. For that we require the more energy to lose the electron. And so enthalpy of hydration energy is large amount of energy is released and compensates for the higher ionization enthalpy needed. So that we need the highest ionization enthalpy. The low values of reduction potential of lithium and its strongest reducing characters. Okay, these are the reason for reducing character of lithium. Okay, lithium having the strong reducing capacity in the alkaline metals. So this is the reason. And next I am going to discuss about the color properties. Okay, next one is the flame coloration. So what is the flame coloration? When alkaline metals or their salts are heated in the flame of a Bunsen burner, they impart characteristic colors to the flame as given. Okay, here next property, flame coloration. Flame coloration. So what is the flame coloration? Generally alkali metals or their salts, we have to take the alkali metals or their salts, are heated in the flame. When we are heating the alkali metals or their salts in the presence of flame of a Bunsen burner, they impart characteristics colors. Okay, they will show the different colors of the salts. Okay, so what is the colors? First, flame colorization. In that, okay, different elements, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium is there, first A group elements. Okay, in that lithium which color on flame? Carmine red. Lithium is a carmine red. And sodium which color? Sodium is a golden yellow. Sodium is a golden yellow. Sodium is a golden yellow. And potassium, pale violet. Potassium, pale violet. Potassium is a pale violet. And rubidium is a reddish violet. Reddish violet. And last one is a cesium. Cesium is a sky blue. Cesium, sky blue. Okay, these are the colors when alkali metals or their salts are heated in the flame of Bunsen burner. They give this type of colors. Okay, what is the reason why they are giving these colors? Because of when energy is supplied to these elements in their salts, we are giving the energy. How we are giving the energy? On heating. When energy is supplied to these elements in their salts, especially chlorides, due to more volatile character. Chlorides having the volatile character. What is the volatile character? It will be changes. It will be lost the electrons very easily. Volatile means it will be changed immediately. Okay, for suppose metal is there means it will be lost the electron and it get the positive charge M plus. So that's why that is a it will be changed immediately. Okay, not a so their character is not a constant. Okay, so when energy is supplied these elements in their salts, especially chlorides, due to their volatile character, the electron in their valency shell get excited to higher energy state. When these electrons jump back to the ground states, they emit energy in the form of radiations which falls in the visible region, imparting a characteristic colorization of the flame. Okay, what is the reason why they are showing these different colors? because of when energy is supplied these elements, when energy is supplied when energy is supplied to these elements, what happen? Elements in their salts, especially chlorides, okay, the electron especially chlorides, because of volatile character, okay, especially chlorides, what happen? The electron in their valency shell get excited to higher energy states. The electron in their valency shell get excited to higher energy state, okay. Did you understand this point? When we are supplying the energy, when we are giving the energy to the elements or their salts, especially chlorides, what happen? The electron in their valency shells get excited to the higher energy state. That means in the atom, shells is there, first shell, second shell, third shell, number of shells is there, okay. So when we are giving the energy, that electron, for suppose second shell electron excited into the third shell, okay, and again that electron will be come to the second shell. When it is going to the higher energy state, it will be absorb the energy. When it is coming from higher to lower, it will be emit energy. In the form of radiation, so which fall in the visible region. So that's why imparting the characteristic colorization to the flame. So when it is get excited to the higher energy states, and again from the higher energy state it will become to the lower energy state, okay, get excited to the higher energy states. When these electrons jump back to the, now continuation, when these electrons jump back to their ground state, they emit energy in the form of radiation, radiations, okay. So which falls in the visible region, visible region. That's why a characteristic colorization to the flame, imparting a characteristic colorization to the flame, okay. So that means I will give the clear idea on the with this diagram. This is a atom, okay. So why they are showing color means, for suppose different colors, they are showing different elements. Here this is a first shell, this is a second shell, this is a third shell. In this also electrons is there, in this also electrons is there. For suppose from the second shell to the third shell, electrons will be jump. Why it is jump? Why? Because we are giving the energy. When we are supplying the energy, okay, when we are supplied to the element, energy to the element, what happened? Lower state electron jump into the higher state. Again it higher state to the jump to the lower state. Okay, so from the lower to higher, higher to lower, electron will be jump. When it is jumping to the higher to lower, it will be emit the energy, emit energy. Okay, that means releasing energy. What happened from the lower state to the higher state? Electron will be jump. That time it will be absorb the energy. Okay, this is a absorb energy. Absorb energy. Okay, one is absorbing, one is a emit. Emit means release. So this releasing energy in the form of radiation. Okay, the emit energy in the form of radiations which fall in the visible region. That's why we can see the characteristics of colorization in the flame. That is the reason. Okay, thank you.